Coup d'œil!
Je suis peut-être pas connu dans la noblesse ou chez les snobs. Quand on veut me trouver, faut qu'on s'adresse dans tous les petits bars. On lit mon nom.
Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à une soirée qui va se poursuivre vendredi, mémorable encore une fois, avec un combat de championnat du monde spectaculaire. Le gala d'Interbox en finale sur le championnat du monde de la IBF chez les super moyens. La deuxième défense de Lucian Boutet contre Librado Andrade. Et ça promet. Déjà, les gens sont prêts. Juste pour rappeler que le combat principal va débuter vers minuit, ce qui est très important. Vers minuit, le combat principal. Mais avant de se rendre là, j'aimerais inviter le président et chef des élections du groupe Sport 5, M. Jean Bédard, à prononcer quelques mots.
Thank you all for coming today. Wanted to thank Jean and everyone over at Interbox, Ian, Ed Reed, and their entire staff who've been great to work with. I want to say also thank you to Lucien for the opportunity for Librado to fight for a world title.
2 days, 12 and a half hours, maybe about 20 minutes and 15 seconds. And that's all we've been waiting for. We've done 10 weeks of training. I have to say 9 weeks because this week is like a 0 week, just to stay sharp. And I think Montreal, this fight has a making to be a very, very good fight. Lucien is a very good boxer, classy, fast, speedy. And Librado, is just going to be coming there to fight. I think you guys are going to be very surprised on Friday because it's not the same guy that was here with me in January, February, March of this year. So, I'm not going to tip my hat. I don't want to answer too many questions. This is like a Texas Hold'em thing when the guy goes all in and he bluffs and the guy says what he calls, then he gets screwed. So I don't want too much to say. I'm just waiting for Friday night to seize the opportunity. And like David said before, it's not too many times to get a body at the apple, and this is Librado's second time, so we're going to try to capitalize on it. And I thank Mr. Vidar, Interbox, Lucien,
World title fight. Class C World IBM, rated number 1 by the IBM. Il est de la Habra en Californie. From La Habra, California. The challenger. Let's welcome Librado Andrade.
Well, thank you everyone. Thank you Montreal that they've always treated me very well. I spent 2 days with Lucien Boutet doing a tour, and all I can say is we were treated very nice. We were treated like champions, and that stays with us, regardless. Put that to the side. We know our duty on the ring. We work so hard to get the crap out of each other, but this is what we do. And it's really close. I can feel the tension now. I feel the tension about the fight and all this stuff. So I did the best I could. I prepared the best of my ability for this fight, for this opportunity that I have earned. I have taken the long way, the elimination way. But it's a great opportunity for me. And whatever happens that night, it's always good for me. I don't come here to get on people's skin. I don't come here to disappoint nobody. And I'm not here to say anything bad about anybody. This is a great city. It has been since the day I came, when I fought Otis. And I take that with me. And I don't see it going any get worse on that day of the fight. So thank you everyone from Montreal. It's been a very great honor spending time with Lucien and his team. Interbox has treated us very well. And it's just a fight, and I hope we don't disappoint, you know? And I hope we don't, if it's a build-up for a good fight and a fight to remember, I hope we make that me and Lucien Boutte. And that's all I want. And of course, anybody that fights, anybody that is a fighter, wants to become a world champion. And that's our goal. It doesn't matter who is on the other side. I respect them very well, but at the end, we dream of becoming world champions. So, may my dream come true.
We asked word in favor of Pavlik, and he took a boxing lesson from Bernard Hopkins, but you just forgot to mention that earlier that night it was not that good for the Andrade family. They lost one there. It was a good fight, and we know that we will not win the fight with the odds. It has to be done in the ring. So on Friday night, when it's time to fight, we know that Libretto will be ready. Lucien will be answer all these things, and Lucien will do what he does best, which is box, throw punches. And for Lucien to throw 3 punches is another day in the office. To throw 5, 6, or 7, it's a pleasure. And that's what Lucien will do on Friday night. He will do a boxing performance, he'll fight well, he'll stay focused, he'll do his best. And if he does it, he has a lot of chance to win that fight. But we know one thing, style makes fight. And this is a good one. The guy who comes forward, your brother will put pressure on Lucien, and if he's successful doing it, he may win the fight. And if Lucien fight a good fight, Lucien may win the fight. But we know that if Lucien wins this fight, he will do it, and it's not going to be easy. We know that. So we're ready for everything on Friday night. And thank you very much for Libretto for your cooperation. David, Howard, we're going to have a lot of fun on Friday night. I think boxing in Montreal will remember that night for a long time. And just to conclude, I want to thank all our sparring partners that helped Lucien to get ready for this fight, and all the entire Interbox crew. Thank you very much.
En douce, je me pousse, les hommes, je le crois, se font du souci. Pourquoi? Car pour être heureux comme ma pomme, il suffit d'être en somme aussi pédard que moi.